Beckett, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yesterday I get an email from Debbie Crawford and her brother, Chris Olivier.
Yeah.
They want to set up the father, Mani Olivier. Okay, now he's 60 years old. He's just recently bought a brand new phone, and it is started giving him problems. It doesn't ring. It doesn't make a sound when it rings. When he picks up, he can't hear the person on the other side. Okay, now this is a man who's aging very gracefully.
He's not totally deaf, is he?
No, he's not deaf at all.
Okay, because that would account for him not hearing the phone ringing and not hearing the person on the other side.
Exactly. It's actually a fault with the phone. And now his daughter and son kind of rub it in slowly, saying, yeah, maybe you're losing your hearing. And he gets quite vuss about this.
Okay.
So now he sent his phone in to get fixed. And he's waiting to hear. He's since put his SIM card in another phone, which is working fine. So he sent it in to get fixed, and he's waiting for the call back. Chris, hold on right there.
No problem. Hello?
Hello, Mr.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Olivier.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
I'm calling you from Vodacare about your phone.
Yes.
We can't seem to find a problem.
What did I hand it in for?
Sir, you said you couldn't hear.
No. An incoming call like this now, you hear absolutely nothing. I'm finding it quite strange that today is the 6th working day since I've given it to you guys. And after 6 days you phone me and you ask me what the problem is.
I noticed when I called you now,
Yes.
you battled to hear me as well.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I didn't hear you at all.
Forgive me, but I'm thinking perhaps it's not the phone.
Listen, but what are you trying to tell me? Are you saying to me that there's something wrong with me, that it's not the phone? I find that extremely arrogant.
So that's why I say I beg yours. Because
You beg mine? No, my friend. I find that insulting.
no, sir, it's just because I was looking at the ID
I don't
number.
want to hear it's just because I was, okay?
Okay,
What
then,
you said to me was highly insulting.
sir, the problem sometimes and I look at your ID number, sir, and it's saying to me you're 60 years. Sometimes when the customer...
Solomon, you are really trying to irritate me now, okay?
No, sir, no, sir.
Are you a doctor? There's nothing wrong with my hearing. I'm hearing you now perfectly.
No, sir, look,
I find this extremely insulting.
I didn't do anything to the phone, sir.
Hello?
Didn't
Hello?
do anything to the
No,
phone.
you see, now I don't hear you at all. It sounds like you are 50,000 miles away.
You see, sir, you can't hear me. I haven't changed the way I'm speaking.
Solomon,
It passed the whole test. I promise you it passed the test.
hello?
Hello? Hello?
Solomon?
Hello?
Oh no.
Yes, I can hear you, sort of.
Okay, you see, sir, I was speaking fine.
I'm going to give this, I'm at the restaurant,
Yes, sir.
and I'm going to give it to somebody with perfect hearing and see what he says. Okay, excuse me. Excuse me. Just talk to this man. See if you can hear something. Hello?
Okay, can you just tell the man with the phone that you can hear me fine?
Yes, I can hear you 100%, yes.
Okay, now tell that old man that.
Oh, okay.
Listen, can you warm up this stuff for me, please? It's cold now. This asshole. Hello?
Did you hear him say he can hear me 100%?
Yeah, and I can't hear you 100%.
Sir, when you speak, you must maybe put it on speakerphone and put it by your ear.
Listen, Solomon, you, okay? I've had enough of you now.
Hold on, sir.
You have now irritated the f***ing shit out of me. You're trying to tell me I'm too old? You're trying to tell me because I'm 60 years old I can't hear? What is your f***ing problem?
Sir,
Huh?
I don't have a problem, sir.
Yes, you have. Veel gatskoppen.
But sir, don't worry, it might not be a medical problem because sometimes the old people, they've got lots of the hair growing out the ears,
Excuse me?
which blocks the sound, sir. It's like trying to listen to the radio when you've covered it in a blanket.
You.
There's a place you can go, sir. It's called the Hearing Aid Clinic.
I'm coming through to Vodacom tomorrow, and I'm going to find you. And then I want you to say what you just said to me while I'm standing in front of you, okay? Put me through to your manager.
Hold on, sir. Okay, you can talk to my manager here. You can speak, sir.
Hallo, Manny.
Yes. Met wie praat ek nou?
Jy praat met jou seun.
Christian?
Yes.
Ek gaan jou agtereen skop, hoor. Baie hard.
Dis Wackett Simpson hier so.
Ja, wat het jou bliksem? Waar, hoorie, ek is nie 'n famous ou nie, so waar die hel kry jy my nommer vandaan in elk geval? Listen,
I got a call.
who the this guy you? Bastards. Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
I never thought it would happen to me, I must tell you that.
Oh, shame. And the worst thing is, poor old Money probably couldn't hear that on the radio. No. He had the radio on loud and he thought, I thought I was going to be on the radio today, but I can't hear a thing.
No shame, man.
Oh, Money.
Legend. Money Olivier.
Beautiful.